Hey guys, Tony, good morning. I did want to talk about Bitcoin really quick, just a quick TA before everything kind of opens up in the morning. Bitcoin right now recently has been trading down for kind of a while now. It's been trading down ever since that 52, 53 range. As of right now, I actually did up opening up more shorts, or open up one short, right? As I'm playing it so that right now we might see either a drop. So this is my actual short. The red part is my stop loss up here, and this is my take profit, right? But what I'm essentially playing right now is that I think Bitcoin is either going to trade sideways and then rebound up, or go all the way back down to 39K, and then bounce back up. The reason I say this is because the daily actually looks like it's going to be closing a bull trigger on the reverse MACD, while the stochastic is already hitting oversold levels, right? And we are clearing previous support of that 39,915. We did hit it. It did not break. So as of right now, I would say, I'm definitely going to be bullish, maybe in another day or so. And going into the weekend, I would definitely be happy to see Bitcoin hit a bull trigger, because I want to see how far the actual push is, because I can definitely see Bitcoin back at 43, close to 44K, or depending on how big this push is, I can maybe even see it all the way up to 48K, although that's pretty, I'm not really too optimistic about it actually going back all the way up to 48,000, but I can definitely see it back to around $44,000 sometime this weekend. Every single instance that you've actually had a perfect, technically speaking, on a technical analysis standpoint, when you don't break support and there's a bullish trigger on the reverse MACD, and you're creating bottoms on the stochastic / oversold, you actually see a really nice push to the upside. So, you have a really good instance of, what happened here, September 4th. You're creating bottoms, right? And then you have a jump from the bottom of the range to the top. Same thing back here. Here you actually broke support, retested, created that bull trigger, and you're oversold on stochastic, and you ran from essentially what is lows of like 29, 30K, to upwards of like 42K in a matter of maybe a week or two. So there's a lot of really good support around this level, or at least technical analysis wise. You can definitely see it trade from one range to the other after that bull trigger gets created. Same here, right? From one range to another, passing it, and actually going to two ranges. So like I said, I can definitely see it going back up to 44K this weekend, if not possibly breaking that and doubling up the range. So hitting from this range right here to the next trading range, which would be between 43.8 and 48K. I'm not too optimistic. Right now I'm basing the short term off of the 1 hour trigger. So right now it's showing that I did take this because the 4 hour did look like it was actually going to break bearish again to the downside. If this doesn't happen, and we actually create another buy-in trigger while we are overbought for the stochastic, I will be getting out of this trade, possibly like at a very, very minimal loss. But as of right now, I see two things that can happen. We either trade down and hit support and jump all the way back up, or we just essentially trade sideways for a little bit and then just go back up to 43.8 resistance. And I think that's more than likely going to happen. I'm like 90% sure. I bought a short right now just in case. But if we do actually hit these lows of 39K or this support, I am more than likely 100% buying some longs, because I do think that 43.8 is definitely possible this weekend. So I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.